Hi, my name is Deyanira Salinas and this is my final project for IDS 3224. The name of my final project is Absorption. So, how do liquids affect this absorption of celery stalks? So, what I did, I conducted my experiment over a 5-day span, and so the celery in this experiment absorbed each one of our test liquids. We concluded that over the span of 5 days, each of the liquids traveled through the celery stalks sufficiently. The only reason I didn't do it more than 5 days was because after the end of the first day, the celery stalks were already starting to get colored. And the reason I chose to do this project was because I work at an elementary school, and what I had to do with my class was plant in a garden. So I found it very interesting, so I decided to do this project. So I had two hypotheses in this experiment, one of them being that I believe that the Sprite would not absorb in the celery stalks, and the other being that the cooking oil would travel through the celery stalks the best. So the materials you need for this experiment is you need celery stalks, vegetable oil, you need Sprite, water, clear cups, food coloring, and a Sharpie to label your cups. So I'm going to break it down. This is the procedure. So first you are going to cut the celery stalks bottoms in a diagonal pattern. So you just cut it diagonally like this. You want to make sure they have leaves on top so you can see if the liquid will travel to the top of the leaves. Okay, then you're gonna get your 3 cups and pour half of each liquid into them. So I have already poured Sprite. So now I am gonna pour water. You wanna make sure it's kind of equal. And then I'll do the vegetable oil. Then, the next thing you want to do is label each cup so you won't get confused. So I'll label this as Sprite. Water. And vegetable oil. Or cooking oil. Then what you're going to do is place the celery stalks in the cups. And then what you're going to do is pour a different food coloring in each of the cups. So what I did red for vegetable oil, blue for the Sprite, and green for water. For the vegetable oil, you want to mix it so it can turn red.